Alright, so we got the Kubota tractor here, and I'm going to try to pull these posts up out of here. This Cyclone fence I've taken down. And what I did was I took one of the straps and I tied on a carabiner here. And then I've got some old straps, nylon straps here. And we're going to clip this on here, clip it to the bucket of the tractor, and try to pull these up. Now, I don't have a lot of confidence that this is going to work, but I do have a little bit of hope because there's some wiggle in this pole. So I'm assuming they put this in concrete. It feels like it's in concrete, but it feels like maybe it's loose or the concrete's cracked. So we're going to try it and see what happens. Alright, well, as you can see, I didn't want to pull it up right away, but after wiggling around with the tractor and loosening it up quite a bit, this method finally worked. So we're going to try this on the rest of the post, see how we do. Alright, so this isn't going to work so well. The reason I was trying to lift the fence up with the tractor is because they put concrete underneath the fence. They poured a whole line of concrete. And so it was either pull the fence up and try to get the concrete up with it. You can see this is concrete down here. Which is good for keeping critters out, especially if you got armadillos and stuff like we got up here, I guess. But not so good for removing the fence at some point in time. So that is not going to work without tearing up the fence. And if I'm going to tear up the fence, I may as well just hook the tractor to it, grab it, and yank it out and rip it up. Then my other option would be to take a metal grinder and cut the fence off at the bottom, but that seems like a lot of work for, I don't know how much fence is, but I wouldn't think it's too terribly expensive. So we're just going to rip it, grab it and rip it. Alright, so you can see it made pretty short work of it. You just grab it and rip it. Now we got to haul this off someplace.